Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Whitedeer Tablet. It's a 10-inch Android 14 Octa-Core Processor with a rechargeable stereo speaker audio base. That's cool. With 40GB RAM, random access memory plus 64GB ROM. 1280 to 800 HD pixels and IPS screen. An 8MP and 5MP dual camera. This is a tablet with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 in a black version. We have here excellent performance with the Android 14. Because the 10-inch tablet is equipped with the latest Android 14 operation system and, of course, an octa-core processor that provides excellent performance. There are significant improvements in multitasking capabilities, customization options, security features, and, of course, privacy. And with a rechargeable stereo audio base. The A10 Pro tablet has a rechargeable audio base with stereo speakers that supports Bluetooth connectivity and allows us to adjust the surround sound and the volume to our liking to create a truly personalized audio experience. In addition, this base can charge the tablet. It, of course, must be connected to the outlet to be used, of course. And it can be used as a stand for the tablet, which is especially suitable for watching movies and videos. So that's comfortable. And not only it's comfortable stand, it is an additional really nice base for sound. And it stays in position magnetic. Baby, magnetic is the key. It is easy to remove and easy to attach. And we have an artificial intelligent cloud album. It is also equipped with an AI cloud album, so we can upload photos and videos to the AI cloud album. Our favorite photos will be displayed as a slideshow. Record and enjoy every wonderful moment, anytime, and of course anywhere. The 1280 to 800 high-resolution IPS screen can display all the details of the photos and videos perfectly, as you can see. And 14GB plus 64GB massive storage. Because these tablets are equipped with a powerful octa-core CPU, central processing unit. This is the heart of power. It's equipped with a powerful octa-core. 14GB, that means 3GB plus 11GB expansion, random access memory, and a 64GB of ROM memory. So we can easily download all the apps we need out of the Google Play Store. They guarantee a faster and more responsive experience. We can launch apps quickly and run smooth games and videos at the same time. And we have a great vision and an HDI protection. This A10 Pro tablet has a high resolution with 1280 to 800 IPS display for a more realistic viewing experience that offers a clearer and brighter images. Wherever we are, surfing on the internet or watching a movie, this comes a sharp and a clear display will improve our viewing experience because this tablet also supports wideband L1 and fast Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth 5.3. Because this Android 14 tablet uses the latest Wi-Fi technology of the 6th generation and improved the Bluetooth 5.3. The built-in dual-band chip makes 5G Wi-Fi and the 2.4G Wi-Fi more stable. and the built-in Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity for all our favorite accessories. That's perfect for fast network connections. And on top, baby, there it comes, a large 5000 mAh battery, because the tablet is equipped with a high capacity and low power CPU and allows us up to 6 and 8 hours of use by using the internal battery. You see, the Android version is energy saving. And energy saving is only possible with a lot of battery power and a good CPU. And this combines into this tablet brings us 6 up to 8 hours of use. Together with the convenient Type-C charging station, it provides fast and reliable power on the go. That means maybe you are on vacation on a business trip and you have forgotten your AC adapter at home. No problem for it, because any USB-C cable can recharge our battery in that tablet. That's cool. Oh yeah. The 8 and 5 megapixel cameras and the front and the back side are suitable for video, telephony, online learning, and so on. So you can make photos and videos using this tablet, because it comes with the latest Android version to us. It comes with the AUMI AI operation system, and it comes in a good quality to us. This is the A10 Pro. This brings us a good tablet for a nice price on the market to us. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.